Welcome once again to another series of our video introducing our new application called MDPM application. If you're joining us for the first time in this particular video, just so you know, our new application can easily connect. Our new application called MDPM can easily connect into Microsoft Dynamics 365. If you're using CRM or ERP, this is the place to be. Our newest application makes it super simple. So this is the segment, the module where you can use CRUD operations. We call it CRUD operation tab, and this operation you can kind of use basic data operations on this particular tab. So I'm going to explain what you can achieve using this particular tab module of our application. So as you can see in the next bit, in this particular section, I'm going to be talking about the basic operation using our CRUD operations. So in this particular tab, you can achieve 1 to 4 different things. The first one you can create, like I said before, where you can add new records, be it JSON or text files, into your Microsoft Dynamics 365 application. Which some of you might know, Dataverse sits behind the scene. You can use our application to write new data into it. You can read data that you have already inside it. That's number 2. You can retrieve records through our GUI, through GUID really, or OData queries. You can run OData queries. I'm going to show you that as we walk along. Number 3, you can update existing records. This number 3, you modify records with partial JSON updates into your application, your Dynamics 365 application that you have, which is the Microsoft Dataverse behind the scene. And finally, number 4, you can delete single data in your particular data tables that you have there, wherever you have it there, as long as you've loaded into the application, into our application called MDPM, you can clearly delete the data however you wish. So how does it look like? So this is kind of just a snapshot of the application. In this particular one, as you can see, we're talking about this particular tab. With this particular tab, you can now see it is opened here. I talked about loading the date, loading your environments. Your table will show here, like I showed you in the previous video. If you've not seen that, please go back and watch the video. So what will happen here, the next bit here, you'll be able to select a specific table that you want to work with. Then you also select the specific environment in relationship to that particular table. And this particular section, as you can see, you can now run your simple to advanced query to get a particular record or specific thing that you want to do as regards the particular table that you have selected. So what can you do with them? Like I said, these are the 4 things on the left hand side. Number 1, you can create. Number 1, you can read. Number 3, you can update. Number 4, you can delete records in your application. So if you see the buttons here, the buttons really tell what they can do. 1, you can read. Like I said, you can create. Like I said, you can update or delete as you wish. Now, what more can you do in this particular tab? Number 1, you can, after getting the result, just so you know, the results comes here. We're going to demo it in the next video. The results come here of the query you've written. This is where you write your query here, this particular section. And you can, after you write your query, you can click on read, then it brings the data and it shows the data at the bottom here. Also, when you create a record, it shows you successful or not at this bottom. You update it, it shows you also at this particular section. You delete it, it shows you if it has performed it successfully or not. Now, once the data is here, you can do more things. As you can see, look, there are lots other buttons here. The first button here is telling you, hey, what do you want to do? Do you want to download it in CSV? You're free to do that. PDF, or copy the data, or because it's also looking, if you prefer big screen, if it's compact here, you can click on this button and it takes it to a full screen mode to see perfectly all your data how you wish. So these are all the things you can do in the CRUD operations tab. Now there's two more buttons as you can see underneath here. The table view is going to bring your data here in a tabular view how you wish. The graph view, once you click on this graph view tab, we are working on it. In the next version, you might just be lucky enough to see you can run graphical analysis on the data that you have produced out. Which, when I mean graphical, you can, view it in a bar chart way or a line graph to make it easy and simple for you to operate. But that is currently being worked on. Fingers crossed, it should be out very, very soon. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is about the CRUD operations tab. The next video that you'll be seeing will be me using it to show you what it can do. Thank you very much.